Hey David, what's the move today?
Man, you know, playing with this thing, I think our next move is gonna be DARKMATTERX Shifter. There's nothing wrong with this. It's another shifter. It's actually not terrible from the factory, but there's still plenty of room for improvement. And I feel like it's one of those things that it's not too hard to install and it makes your driving experience that much better. Definitely worth it. So I think we're gonna have a lot more fun driving with a nice shifter installed. And I think that's the next step for this car. All the material. All right, so we got the DARKMATTERX DMT. We got the DARKMATTERX DM2 V2 shifter. This is gonna go on our VB. Off first glance, this looks incredible, first of all. To hold in your hand and actually feel it feels even better. Like, this is extremely high quality. I have no doubt that it's going to perform exceptionally well. If you get up close, all the material feels good, looks good, it's solid. The factory shifter can't compete with this. So I know that we're gonna feel a difference immediately after installing this. I'm glad that we went with the DARKMATTERX. This is an incredible piece.
All right, we got this boy up in the air. Everything seems stable. Safety checks complete. I think we're ready to install this thing. Yeah, no, looks good, looks good.
Oh, thank you for checking stuff, man. Appreciate it. We're making some good progress.
I think we're making some good progress here, y'all. We're doing good up here, David.
We're doing good?
We're doing good. We're good, we're good, we're good. Well, damn. We're trying out this new shifter by DARKMATTERX that we recently installed. Not just David. Compared to the stock shifter, the throw is much shorter. This downshift. This downshift again. And I'm confident to know that it's in gear. And throw is much shorter, and it's adjustable too. So depending on your preference, some people like it a little bit longer, some people like it shorter. I like something kind of in between stock and short throw. I still like to feel like I'm shifting and not just clicking through gears. Some people like a notchy shifter and the best way I could describe what a notchy shifter feels like it takes a little bit of force to get into gear, and like you kind of like slipping like into like a pocket, if that makes sense. It's like a click. Yeah, it's like a click. I think this is a good happy median between like notchy and like obviously OEM. You just boom, step right in there. It doesn't take much force to like really throw it into gears. It sounds cool when you shift. Like, it just sounds super mechanical. Let's give it a downshift. Let's go one more. Dude, it feels good downshifting. Pick you up. It's pretty smooth, man. Like, it takes a little bit of force, but not that much force. Come on. Let's do a pull. So a quick third to fourth. Felt pretty good. Okay, so it's made here in the United States. The owner of the company, Eric, he did all the prototyping himself, the design himself, the manufacturing himself. His wife stitched up this beautiful shift boot. So shout out to the team out there. It's a family business. Would you use this for a daily driver? Would you use this for a track build? or in our case, it's a track daily, right? So it does a little bit of both, more daily focused. I feel like if you're the type of driver, if you're like me, who enjoys driving from point A to point B, right? Like, I have to commute. I might as well have fun on my way to work, on my way to the grocery store, on my way to, you know, see my friends, and your driver experience is important to you, then I feel like this would be a good option to consider because of like the overall feel of the shifter itself. Like, it's super stout, very mechanical. It sounds really cool when you're shifting. To me, all of that adds to the driver experience. It does have a little bit of that NVH, but hey, it's a race car piece, right? But if you enjoy really solid built piece that feels really good rolling through gears, that's on a car that's gonna see the track maybe, I don't know, 2-3 times a year, I think it's worth it. It might be a little overkill if this is like a city car that never sees the track, but considering that this is a car that's built to do a little bit of everything, I'd say it's worth it. Let's turn around right here, yeah?
All right, man. How'd it feel? Better?
Better, yes. I think we did a good job installing this thing. You got a little bit of that NVH, but like it wasn't like crazy.
And you can adjust it up or down. I found the position I liked for driving it.
Okay.
But you can play with it, bring it up. I think, what was it, 2 inches?
Yeah.
I have it as low as it'll go.
Yeah, and like I think it's positioned nicely. I think for me, I personally like it a little bit taller. I guess we could play with that a little bit later, but that's really cool. Like on the fly adjustments. I love that shift boot too, the Alcantara.
Dude, I love it. I love Alcantara everything.
Yeah.
Now it just makes me want everything else to match.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, I know, right? And I feel like we need to do like an interior upgrade now, just because like centering off.
I know. Once you do that, then it's like, well, now we need something else that complements this, and then you need something that complements. It's a never-ending.
That's the snowball effect, bro. Like that's how it starts, right? Like boom.
So this feels more solid. Now we need other things.
Yeah. Now we need a weighted
to
shift
feel
knob.
more solid. Now we need a weighted shift.
Now we need a weighted shift knob. But overall, positive experience. Great feel.
Yeah.
Great response. Super stout. Shorter throw.
Yes. I like the feel of the materials. Like while I was installing it.
When we were installing it.
we were installing it. It felt good. You could feel the quality compared to, I was looking, I don't know where the other one is, but you can just tell. It's made every part, not only is it more simple, but the quality is there.
Yeah.
I'd do it again in a heartbeat.
Definitely more of a premium feel to it, which comes with a premium cost. And I mean, we could talk more about like the history behind DARKMATTERX and like where it was made, how it was made, this and that in a different video. But
I wish when I had my VA, I remember when this company came out, I had just put a short shifter and I regretted it because I didn't get to go with theirs. So now I get to kind of compare.
Yeah.
This is good quality.
Okay.
This is definitely good quality. Now the VA is a different style shifter. This is a cable shifter, VA is not. So there's some differences, but I was playing with one of the VA shifters that we have in stock from DARKMATTERX, and man, what a difference.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm really curious to see what one of those feels like. Every shift was crisp. I didn't miss any shifts.
Yeah.
Reverse goes into reverse just fine, whereas I've done other short shifters like my own STI that I broke the reverse lockout cable.
What?
And it's terrifying.
Because
until I got a new cable,
Yeah.
I thought I was going to go in reverse while shifting into sixth.
Yeah.
This car doesn't use a cable for its reverse lockout. It's an incredible design that she pulls a pin up. And so that's one of the things, he engineered something that works very well.
But yeah, I guess that would be my final thought. Like if you want something that's like super engaging, crispy, a little bit of a shorter throw, make you feel like you're driving on the track on your way to the grocery store, and still keep like that OEM plus aesthetic, DARKMATTERX is the way to go for sure. All right, so if you're interested in picking one of these up for your WRX or STI, they're available for the year ranges of 02 to present. Also, just launched is a GR Corolla DARKMATTERX Shifter. So if you want to improve the shifter in your GR Corolla, that is also available, just launched, and available through rallysportdirect.com.